Hello, Professor. I'm making this video here to show you the labs that I've done. I apologize that I might not have been able to show you these in class. The time was an issue, but also the fact that the lab wasn't quite to how you wanted it. I didn't know that it had to be very specific to what the online says. I hope you know that there are some parts of my code. I'll show you my code. I'll show you how it runs in the terminal. Hopefully what you're gonna see here is very close to what you're looking for. Basically to where all the code practicality is shown. However, there might be some variations because I'm quite silly and I like to do stupid things. I hope this will suffice for you, but if not, I can show you the code in class. I also have submitted this to Marmoset, so I hope that maybe I could get some credit for these labs. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first lab, lab 1, is a simple just printf hello world. So I did that here. You can see in my console I ran it. I had this little % thing when you forget to put /n, so I'm redoing it here. Let's just run it to make sure that it works well. And there's lab 1. So not too bad, but let's see. I shouldn't have my notes out. Let's go now with let's go back. So CD desktop, and then mine is named compsci labs, and then let's go with the second lab to show you. So that would be CS101 underscore lab 01. Oh, I forgot CD. CS101 underscore lab 01. Okay, and then I believe this one is also hello.exe. No, it's different. Let's see here. Oh, no. Gotta run, sorry. New to this all. Okay, so in this one, let me just open the code. This one is a simple scanf iteration. I hope you can see that I define the variable age, and then the thing asks you basically, how old are you? So let's say my age of 20, and it says, okay, you're 20 years old. And that is done. So pretty simple, nothing crazy there. And then for the last one, we have the second lab, and this will get me caught up until the third lab, which is next lecture, which I hope to show you. This one, I believe I went a little off course. I mean, this one I said, hello, earthly being. I hope that's okay. It's just text difference. But let's go back to our files here. So cd compsci labs. I'm curious if you have any feedback on how I can skip this process. Like, can I go desktop compsci labs in one string? If you know the answer to that, let me know. I would like to know. But lab 02. Okay, and then let me just run that. Okay. So in this one, what you asked for it to show was to do you want two variables that we can scanf for. Okay, so this is Corbin's awesome calculator. It's gonna scanf for A and B, and then we're gonna add, subtract, and multiply. But in this one, I specifically also have the quotient and the modulus. Don't worry though, because I know you wanted it kind of separate, so I added another set of variables that is going to do a second quotient and a modulus for those respective values. It's going to output them, and it's going to thank you for using that big calculator, which I know is not in the assignment, but I thought, why not? So this is basically the assignment you wanted, just with some extra steps in it. So I hope that this will suffice for you. So let's do a quick example. 1 and 2. So the remainder, of course, here is 1. And then it gives you all the calculated values. It gives you the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the quotient, or sorry, the modulus or the remainder of 1 over 2, right? We have one cookie. We want to share it with 2 friends. No friend gets a cookie. We have just 1 cookie left. Okay, and now we have a continuation of that that's just going to find the quotient and the modulus. So let's define this to be 4 and, I don't know, let's go with 12. All right. So it does 4 divided by 12. Of course, 4 does not go into 12 even once, so we're a remainder of 4. And yeah, that's going to be it. Hopefully that this clears the air. I tried to make the code as close as to what you wanted, but I believe that some wiggle room isn't a bad thing. As long as I get the right idea across and you can see that I'm using the functions you want. I think the issue maybe for you here, because you said you wanted it, you were a little confused maybe on why I had, instead of 1 plus 2 equals blah blah blah, I had added and then I said equals. So maybe you wanted me to get experience with using this %lf function to list out A and B. So I did that, and again, I hope that it will suffice for you. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking the time to look at this. Anyways, have a good one. Bye bye.